Ever wondered which stocks could potentially turn your $1,000 into $2,000 or even more? What if I told you that there are companies out there right now poised for such growth? Could you be holding the next big winner in your portfolio? Stick around because we're diving into the top 3 stocks that could potentially double your investment. And hey, if you're intrigued by the sound of multiplying your money, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more financial insights that could turn your investments golden. Let's get started. Number 1. The rare disease pioneer, Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Vertex Pharmaceuticals is truly a standout in the world of healthcare. This company has zeroed in on rare diseases, crafting not just one, but a whole suite of cystic fibrosis medications. These aren't just any drugs, they're the only approved treatments that tackle the genetic causes of cystic fibrosis head-on. It's like they found a key to a lock that no one else could open, giving hope to those who had little before. Financially, Vertex is a rocket ship. Picture this. Their revenue didn't just grow, it shot up by 44% in 3 years. Net income up by 23%, and liquidity, which is how much cash they got on hand to keep innovating and growing. That's up by an eye-popping 75%. These figures tell us one thing. Vertex isn't just walking towards the future, it's sprinting. But what's really exciting is what's coming up. Vertex is working on next-level treatments that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi novel. We're talking about an mRNA-based drug for cystic fibrosis and even a CRISPR therapy. CRISPR is like a genetic scissors, snipping away at disease-causing genes. This could mean a one-shot solution for some really tough diseases like sickle cell and beta thalassemia. And for the numbers that matter to investors, the stock price. Vertex has seen a robust 30% increase just this year. That's a solid uptick for any company, but for one in the biotech space, it's pretty impressive. Analysts are watching Vertex like hawks, and the general consensus is clear. This stock has room to grow. And for those holding shares, there's a palpable buzz that with a bit of time, that $1,000 investment could very well double. So what's the secret sauce here? Innovation, dedication, and a relentless drive to provide solutions in a market that's thirsty for them. Vertex isn't just a company, it's a pioneer trailblazing through uncharted territories of medicine. And for an investor, that could mean a journey not just to profit, but to being part of a revolution in healthcare. Number 2, the AI lending maverick, Upstart. Upstart is redefining the lending landscape with a tech twist that's hard to ignore. This company isn't just about loans, it's about revolutionizing who gets them and how. With a platform driven by artificial intelligence, they're cutting through the red tape with the precision of a laser. We're talking about a system so smart it's processed over 70 billion data points. That's right, billion with a B. This isn't just a bunch of data. This is Upstart's crystal ball predicting loan behavior with uncanny accuracy. Now get this, 87% of their loans are automated. Think about that for a second. The majority of their lending decisions are made by algorithms, not humans. This means quicker decisions, less bias, and a smoother process for everyone involved. And in today's world where time is money, Upstart's efficiency, it's a game changer. Sure, the economic climate has been rough. We all feel it. But Upstart's resilience is something to behold. Their stock has nearly doubled in price this year alone despite the headwinds. It's as if they built an economic storm shelter and it stood up to the test. And they're not just staying afloat, they're expanding, bringing in new partners left and right. From a modest 10 banking partners at their IPO to a robust network of 100, Upstart is on a roll. But it's not just about today. The future's looking bright too, with analysts predicting a hefty 30% earnings growth over the next half-decade. And with Upstart's leap into the auto lending and mortgage sectors, the potential is sky-high. We're no longer just dipping our toes into a pool. We're talking about diving into an ocean of opportunity. For the bold investor, Upstart might just be the vessel to navigate these vast financial waters, possibly turning a modest investment into a treasure chest. Number 3, the global travel architect, Airm. Airm has been soaring through the stock market skies with a growth rate that's nothing short of impressive. This company has transformed from a simple idea of renting out an air mattress in a living room to a global powerhouse in the travel industry. It's not just about finding a place to crash anymore. Airm is creating memorable experiences for travelers all around the world. And let's talk about growth. It's not just their stock that's climbed over 40% this year. They're also seeing their piece of the travel pie expand in a market racing toward a $16 trillion valuation. The numbers are in and they're huge. Airm is not playing the kiddie pool. They've reported booking over 115 million nights and experiences in just one quarter, translating into a colossal $19 billion in gross bookings. Revenue and net income aren't just growing, they're setting records, making it clear that Airm isn't just another company in your portfolio, it's a cornerstone. But what really gives Airm its edge, it's their smart use of AI technology. They're not just using AI for the sake of buzzwords, they're leveraging it to fine-tune the travel experience, to prevent parties that could damage properties, and to match guests with the perfect stay. This isn't just about better business, it's about smarter business. And with analysts projecting a 20% growth in earnings annually, Airbnb is proving that it understands the assignment. What does this mean for you and your investment? Airbnb isn't just a place to book your vacation, it's potentially a vehicle to double your investment. They've tapped into the wanderlust that lives in all of us, creating a platform that not only stands out in today's market, but also has the potential for significant growth in the future. With Airbnb's trajectory, the investment could very well take off, turning your $1,000 into a much more substantial sum. There you have it, folks. 3 stocks, each with a unique edge, ready to potentially double your investment. Remember, the market is always a mix of risk and reward. But with Vertex Pharmaceuticals, Upstart, and Airbnb, we're looking at companies that aren't just playing the game. They're looking to win it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investment insights that could take your portfolio to new heights. Until next time, keep your investments smart and your returns high.